Hey, I'm Shobik from the Movie Hut. If you're a beginner filmmaker or an amateur filmmaker, then you must know that a good quality audio and a good sound is very important for a good movie or a good video. So most of the times the beginners look for a good sounding mic actually. The amateurs most of the times have them but still want to upgrade them for a better quality audio. So today we are going to review the Rode VideoMic Pro, which is one of the best selling microphones to the amateur filmmakers and sometimes and most of the times to the professionals. So let's see what the Rode VideoMic Pro can do for you. Now the Rode VideoMic Pro comes in a box like this, and inside that we got a very hard plastic casing that we can use it as a carrier or a case of the microphone. So here is the Rode VideoMic Pro. Directly looking at the Rode VideoMic Pro, you'll see it got a wind buster on top of it, and there is written Rode. This is the official logo of Rode. It feels solid, though it's made out of plastic, solid grade plastic or something. So if you look at the microphone, you'll see at the bottom of it there is a Rocket Lyre shock mount, which is a shock absorber for your microphone. When you will mount it on top of your camera, then it won't take the shakes or the sound produced by the friction of the focal ring of your camera. It will also help you to suspend and not take other external noises. We got a cable. This is a headphone jack, 2 marks. It's stereo. It goes directly into the microphone port of your camera. And the Rode VideoMic Pro is powered by a 9-volt battery that comes out from this part. This is a 9-volt battery. Feels solid, build quality is solid, sound is good. I've tested that, but I'll still will have a sound check in this video. So in here there are 3 settings. O means the power is off. When you put it in 1, that means the Rode VideoMic Pro is running. This is normal mode. This is gonna catch sound and unidirectionally, and if you put it on the next level, this is the L merge chip. This is Pro. This is industrial mode. That means it's gonna take the sound close to it and it's gonna reject all the other sound coming from the outside. And under that there is a decibel meter. When you put it on 0, it receives sound in normal sound limit. If you put it on -10 decibel, it's gonna take less sound. That means the sound intensity is gonna be low. And if you put it on +20, you know that the sound quality, the sound volume, the gain will be maximized up to the 20 decibel limit. Still, it is sounds and feels very solid. But the Rocket Lyre shock mount is a little fragile. That people like kids, they're gonna mess this and break this down. Not very comfortable to use for the beginners actually. But if you get used to, this is gonna be the best friend of yours, I guarantee. On the bottom of it, there comes with a cold shoe mount. That sits on top of your camera. This is the dial. You can tie it, making less friction with your camera. So let's dive and check the sound quality of this microphone. I'm almost sitting about 2.5 feet away from the camera or the microphone, and this is the sound quality. So this is a sound check of the Rode VideoMic Pro. Now I've set it on Normal mode, that is the middle part of the top, and I've set it to 0 decibels. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. This is the Rode VideoMic Pro test number 1. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. This is the Rode VideoMic Pro sound test number 2. Now I've set it on 0 decibels and I've set it on industrial mode, that is the L. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. This is the Rode VideoMic Pro test number 3. Now I've set it on normal mode and I've set it the decibel limit on -10. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. This is the Rode VideoMic Pro test number 4. In this test, I've set it the Rode VideoMic Pro to normal mode and I've put the decibel limit on the top. There is a +20 decibel sound limit, and see how it sounds like. I hope this video helped you to find if the Rode VideoMic Pro can fulfill your demand of audio in your videos or movies. I'm Shobik from the Movie Hut. Thank you.